Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. In this video, I'll guide you how to create an account on forever21.com. Creating an account on forever21.com is quite easy. So without any delay, let's get started. Launch your preferred web browser on your computer. For example, Google Chrome, Brave, Opera, etc. In the address bar, search for www.forever21.com. Look at the sign up option. Once on the home page, look for the sign up or create account option. Click on the sign up or create account. Once you have found the sign up option, click on it to begin the account creation process. Provide your information. You will be directed to a registration page where you need to enter your details. Typically, this includes your name, email address and password. Follow the prompts to fill the requirements information accurately. Depending on the Forever 21's registration process, you may be asked to provide additional information such as your birthday, address and contact details. Agree to terms and conditions. Make sure to read through the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy. Click on sign up or create account. After providing all the necessary information and agreeing to terms and conditions, click on sign up or create account button to complete the process. Verify your email if required. Some websites including Forever 21 may require to verify your email address by clicking on confirmation link sent to your email confirmation. Once you have successfully completed the sign up process and verify your email, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been created. That's it, you have successfully created an account on Forever 21. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Until then, bye bye.